Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply going to teach you how you can fade audio on your Premiere Pro. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I have a footage loaded up on my timeline, and there is also a audio right over here, as you can see. So if your footage already had audio, so I'm simply going to show you how you can go ahead and work on that first. So once you have put your clip on the timeline, if your footage already has audio, and all you have to do is simply right click onto the footage and simply go ahead and click on link, so your audio and your video is unlinked. So I'm just going to remove this audio because I don't want that, and I'm going to add another audio, as you can see, and this is how it sounds. Alright, so if I want to go ahead and fade the audio, all I'm going to do is simply click on the audio itself, and on the effect controls, as you can see, there is going to be a volume tab right here on the top left. You're going to click on this, and over here you can simply go ahead and take this marker and put it on the front of the video, and you're going to click on this button, which is going to add a keyframe, right? And what you're going to do is change this audio to -100, right, which will basically mute the audio. As you can see, there's no audio anymore. And if I want the audio to probably come out till here, I'm simply going to change the value of this to 0 back again. And what this will do is it will set a keyframe which will make the audio slowly fade onto that part. Now if you go ahead and listen to it, as you can see, the audio will slowly fade in, right? So that is how you go ahead and fade audio on your Premiere Pro, and it was as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful for you, feel free to comment down below and let me know, and make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.